Right now, we are live. We are live at the Mawot.
Oh my God!
So it's real, guys. See, I want to spend a scene. I'm going to because like it's Tatila. Right now. You see, this is how it gets when Uzalo meets Isibaya. Like, they're flame. I guess she's one second.
I can't sleep on to bed.
I'm a banana. I'm a Lolonda. To combine Kupuma, I'm a zebo. You want to say that? I'm a zebo. Like, okay, it's like so good. It's like my extra is like about.